Hey guys, welcome to the new video, and in today's video we are learning about what is video sales letters, also known as VSL. So if you are a mortgage professional and you want to use the concept of VSL, you can use this in your business to generate more appointments of pre-screened borrowers, get more leads, and eventually close more deals. You can actually automate this complete process of VSL and get instant borrowers who are also qualified and pre-screened depending on your loan category, right? So let's get started right now, and I want to share with you complete step on how to create a powerful and actually converting VSL, and how you can use this VSL both in your organic phase to get more leads in business and also in your paid advertisement, right? So let's get started. And also I have some really cool stuff and free scripts on how to create your first ever VSL in this video, so make sure to watch till end because I'm gonna share those free nuggets entirely over the video, so you can just use them and go plug and play and create your first ever VSL and start generating your own leads and appointments of pre-screened borrowers as a mortgage professional. So let's get started. Alright guys, so welcome to the video, and in today's video we're discussing about what is a video sales letter, or called as VSL, and how a mortgage loan officer can use the power of VSL to convert and get more leads, and of course at the end close more deals as well. Now what is VSL, right, and what exactly VSL is and how does it work, right? Now here are the few screenshots I want to share with you, a couple of examples right now on what exactly a VSL is look like, and what does your actual lead sees, at their end of the spectrum as well. Now here are a few examples, screenshots right now of the landing page where the VSL actually is, right? Now as you can see over here, pretty simple, pretty lean over here. What exactly a VSL is, you have a few headlines, images, right? And the middle right now you have a video where you explain a complex method into a very simplest form using the images or the visual aids or presentation like this right now, and that's how you explain the complete concept of that service or product right now as well. And once you explain that service or product right now in a video, you have a call to action to actually engage and convert those incoming leads into second step, right? Maybe probably a landing page where you have a survey to fill out more questions and answers as well, or to just convert people into booking an appointment with you as well, like consultation, right? Depending on that, you can actually send your incoming leads, educate them, add values through a VSL, explain how things work, and then convert them into the second step. Either it can be a survey form or a consultation page where you can confirm their appointment in that page as well, right? Now how does a mortgage loan officer can use a concept of VSL in their marketing method right now and get more business, right? Now it's pretty much simple right now. Let me just look over here my screen, because this is where I'm sharing my presentation with you guys. So why should a mortgage broker can use or consider using even a VSL in their marketing method, right? Because there's several reasons. First of all, a VSL allows you to connect with potential clients on a more personal level, right? Because by speaking directly to the audience through a camera, you can build a trust and establish a rapport with your audience. Secondly, VSL allows you to actually add and explain the complex method of getting approved of different loan category like reverse mortgage, VA, FHA, even like refinance as well, and explain those concepts with a very ease out method as well. Finally, a VSL allows you to automate the complete lead generation process, right? Which means once you have made your VSL a proven way to actually, you have a good script and you have made a video, a very good looking one as well, you can use it to generate leads around the clock, which means you just have to just lay back, launch the campaign, and people start coming in by just seeing your VSL as well right now. Now, second thing is, how does a VSL actually works, right? What is the mechanics behind the VSL, and how does a VSL converts your incoming traffic or leads to the actual consultation or qualified leads? Now, once you have a VSL over here, as you can see right now, you are speaking over here in the person right now, we'll explain a complete complex method right now of getting a loan or getting qualified as a borrower, those stuff, depending on kind of loan category you are focusing on. Then you have a call to action where you just send the traffic or leads to next step, which can be they can book a form with you, or they can just they can book a call with you, or they can take a quick survey like a pre-qualifying survey of loan category, and that's how you can qualify them as well. There's one example right now I want to share with you guys is, I suppose that you have launched a video campaign, right, in the VSL. Of course, you can send the leads to this kind of page over here where they can take a survey as well. Let me just okay, this is right now not popping up, but let me see if I can pull any other campaign over here. Yeah, so here's another example right now, which means that once you have your incoming leads from the ad, they see your video campaign or maybe a VSL over here like this, where you explain how does the loan actually works. You can send those incoming leads to a call to action where they can click on the next step over here in the same landing page, and they can go to this step where they can take a survey over here as well, and the survey where you can actually qualify your people or qualify the people who comes into a actual good borrower as well, like that stuff, or you can just send them to a next step where they can just book a call with you, and you can just like explain what the next step will be and how you can actually help them on a call and explain them what's the best fit for them right now in terms of loan category, or like the kind of loan per over here. So depending on your requirements and your niche audience as well, those stuff. Now, once you have those in place, right, you can actually build the follow-up system, which means people who have watched the video like a VSL, right, and they haven't taken any action, right, we can target those people again with pixels, with follow-up emails, with text emails, right, those stuff as well. And that's how you can increase your conversion rate from actual leads to conversion, which means the actual closed deals, right? So multiple things you can do over here as well. And of course, we can target audience depending on the steps they are in the whole place. Suppose they have watched the video that you have made, but they haven't actually taken the next step, like a survey form or a call with you as well. You can actually send them follow-up emails and follow-up text messages right now, or even just target again on the ads with pixels in the first step over here as well, like follow-up as well over here. And that's how you can actually make things easy for yourself and like run your lead generation process throughout the day, every single time, and people can come and they can watch you and they can just like take the action, and only the right people can go and surpass the next step as well. So that's basically is that like a mechanics behind VSL, and how does the actual VSL works, and how a mortgage loan officer can use a VSL in their own advantage as well, right? The next step over here is what is the benefits right now for yourself, like using a VSL as a mortgage broker. First of all, of course, you can build trust, establish a rapport with the audience. Second, you can simplify a complex method of getting a loan or getting approved right now in a very, very simpler form. And of course, you can automate your lead generation process, guys, which is pretty amazing. The second thing over here is what is of course, again, the benefits over here using a VSL in a very, very advanced way, and it can connect with your clients, which means if you're having a niche audience, right, like reverse mortgage, VA purchase, FHA, conventional, refinance, cash out, whatever you're focusing on, first time home buyers as well, even commercial, right, you can actually explain a very, very niche topic into a very, very good way, because you will have the scripts over that as well. If you don't have the scripts right now, of course, I'm gonna give this script right now, which we have over here, which is working pretty great right now as well. I can just use the you can go over here and just shoot the complete video. You can have the complete script over here, how to shoot your winning VSL video. I'm gonna attach this script right now in the link below, and you can just join my free Facebook group and get this complete script over here in my Facebook group, which we have just for mortgage loan officers, right? Let's go back to the video. Right, of course, you can actually set apart yourself from the competition that you have right now, or even like put yourself at the top of the framework, because you are doing things differently. And this is pretty much like an advanced way of lead generation, right? Because you are giving people who are qualified, and of course, at the same time are being pre-screened if you have the steps in place as well, right? Now, the next thing over here is pretty much simple again, right? The advantages of using a VSL is endless. I mean, you can use so many things over here, is automations, pixels, custom audience as well, custom audiences right now, and so many things I can just go and explain over here. But I don't want to, again, complex out thing for you guys, because I don't want to just not take action. So the simple form is right now, VSL works pretty smoothly. Use it, implement right now, make a proper system, and you will get leads 24/7 times a day, right? Next step. What is a tip for creating a strong VSL? How to create a strong VSL and a compelling one which actually converts and get to people. It's not like a movie or a short kind of like an Instagram video where you don't get action. We want people to take action when you have a VSL, because the whole idea behind creating a VSL is to convert people and take actions, right? I have a complete script right now. Again, I want to share with you. Let's just go through one by one right now with this one format. Now, of course, in the VSL, when you use a VSL, you have to make sure you have a one offer that actually being proposed to the leads that they see as well. And that's the kind of a hook we want to use, take the action as well. Now this one over here is like about the more information. The offer we have is to explain them more about the information. Second one, I want to share with you this one over here, the offering a free guide. Now this one is one of the evergreen offer, which goes around all around the marketing industry. Offering a free guide is one of the best way as well. So this is how you can create a winning VSL, or I can say a winning campaign in a VSL as well. Now, two things which we actually need to make sure that you have in your VSL. First of all, you need to make sure your viewer actually sticks with the video, and you have that hook over here and a bold claim as well. You can either show them your borrower results, which means that if you have got somebody house approved, even if they have low credit score, you can just show them that as well. You can show them how exactly a loan works, right? And so in those cases, actually you can explain people and like put them on their feet, on their attention, right? And actually like make them watch the whole video as well. I would say start explaining the video, or like creating a video right now yourself by showing some results first of all, right? And like showing them like, okay, if the guy named John has this credit score and he can get approved, and this is how we have made things easy for them. This actually engages more people, and they want to see what are the steps that people can get their house approved, or they can get their loan approved as well, right? So show them the case studies, show them the examples, and then get the hook in. And that's the best way to keep your viewer attentions for a longer time. And that's the best way, I think, to convert people into the next step or take the call to action as well, right? Now again, when you're creating a VSL over here, focus on the benefits, not the features. People don't want to actually know that technical terms over here on the complete video, because they just want to know the benefits right now. So show them the examples, show them the case studies again, and show them the results, and show them the what are the I would say benefits they would get right now over here, and how soon they can actually get things done. Those things works pretty great as well. So use this point, focus on the benefits, not on the features, right? The last point over here again, keep it concise, right? You want to make sure your VSL is concise and also on the point, not longer than 7-10 minutes. I mean, people actually have seen people actually create VSL for 30, even 40 minutes as well, and they call it as a masterclass or like a webinar as well. You can create webinars. Webinars are great, but when we want to create a VSL, we want to make sure that it is around 7 to 10 minutes long as well, and we want to keep it much concise over here. And that's the whole point, of having a VSL in place as well. Second is that we want to make sure we have one single offer, one message, and to get the maximum amount of engagement and get the most people going to the next step as well. And that's like a key points right now over here to create a winning VSL right now as well. So the last point we have right now is this one, which means how you can actually bring more and more people into your VSL. Pretty simple. You can actually use VSL. You can make like a simple landing page right over here where you have a VSL as well, like this. A simple domain, get the domain right now, get landing page right as well, make a video over here, have a call to action. The next step, we can take a survey, and then from next step can book our appointment as well. Simply as it is, right? 3 to 4 steps in the funnel, and that's how you can get the more people in the funnel or in the CRM as well, right? But how to actually get more people, right? You can either use paid ads. Of course, paid ads is the best way to get more people over here, or you can just use organically as well. So if you're posting content daily right now as well out, or if you're having a lot of people in your community, in your Facebook group, your Facebook page, your LinkedIn, you can create a simple landing page over here where you have the VSL and then a call to action, and then you can just get more and more attention. The whole point over here is that you need to drive more traffic to the people in landing page. It can be like a word of mouth, go and shout in public, go in the cafes, share your videos, or even just do the ads are the easy way, right? So that's the best way you can create and get more people over here. Last thing I want to share with you guys is that if you want to create your winning VSL campaign right now, in your own VSL video, I have 2 to 3 different offers right now in my own script, which I can give away right now to you guys. You can just go out there and use it. So if you want to just get this complete script right now of VSL, go in my Facebook group. I will drop the link in the description. So this is my Facebook page right now, and we have been posting content right now every single day. We get results. So the main thing right now we are offering for our clients right now is to get them booked appointments of qualified and pre-screened borrowers with paid ads. We cover every single thing, and if you want to get results like this, get more appointments and get more deals and increase your production volume to at least 5-10x right now as well over here, let me know, and I will just confirm your call right now. Or you can just go out there and just right now click the link over here in description and confirm the call with me, and we can have a quick call and and I can show you the complete things, how things work, and get the same results for you as well. Okay, so guys, if you want to get this complete VSL script, go to my Facebook group. I will drop a link in the description again. This is called as Mortgage Broker Incubator, and you can join the group right now. And I've been posting some exclusive stuff right now in my group, like building a referral partnership system, getting your own power dialing team right now in place. Those stuff pretty crazy and pretty exclusive stuffs in my Facebook group, and I will get the complete VSL script right now in my group, and you can just copy and paste and just plug and play your own first ever VSL and just go out there and use it and get more leads as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys right now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep testing out things, and yeah, keep rushing.